What's up, Holochain holders? How are you? Hope you're fine now, my friends. Once again, I'm present with another latest update of the Holochain, which is the current price of Holo, which is the price is open in the Holo. In this video, I'm going to show you, my friends. But before starting this video, please, I request everyone to please subscribe ABS Tech channel for more news and updates videos, my friends. My friends, in this video, first of all, I want to share with all the latest update of the Holochain. So now the currently and latest price of the Holochain at this time in the market is 0.006 USD dollar. That's the currently latest price of the Holochain. Furthermore, the market cap, 24 hours trading volume, available supply, total supply, every update is present on the front of your eyes. But please subscribe. Subscribe is very important for all of you. If you subscribe my channel, so you will never miss any update about cryptocurrencies market. So that's why I'm telling you to subscribe now. My friends, it is time the 24 hours price is open. The Holo is positive. And from yesterday, 2.26% positive change occurred from yesterday in the price of the Holochain. Furthermore, the latest last 1 hour chain is negative, but that's a temporary falls after some period of time, after a few minutes, and maybe after 1 hour the price will again start pumping. Let me show you the price chart of the Holochain, my friends. Oh my goodness, in this time very barely the price of the Holochain is falls down. You can see here, just look on the price chart, and at this time they have no idea to take a burn. But don't worry, my friends, if you have patience you will get profit. Wait for the pump of the Holochain. Anyways, how do you feel today about Holo? Please tell me in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more news and updates videos.